Hey VV Nation, my name is Ryan and welcome to Market Insights. Now this is where I kick off the week by giving you valuable information on how to prepare for the week ahead. Now that being said, over the weekend, Israel and Iran, the conflict there, now investors are assessing the information coming out of the Middle East here. The damage isn't quite as bad as a lot of people were expecting. Thus, the major indices are up today and oil is down. Let's go ahead and jump into the economic calendar and see what's in store for this week. Now, first thing this morning, pre-market at 8:30, the sales numbers did come out and they were hotter than expected. The market is rallying right now on these strong numbers, showing the resilience of the U.S. economy. Now, come Tuesday, we have housing start data and building permits data coming out at 8:30 before the market. Now, the big thing on Tuesday I want you to focus on, and at 1:15, Jerome Powell will be speaking. Now, come Wednesday, pretty light here, 2 p.m., just the Fed beige book, and Thursday, initial jobless claims. This is the other big item I want you to focus on when it comes to economic data coming out this week. So just remember, sales data this morning, Jerome Powell, and initial jobless claims. That should be on your radar. Now, this is the second week of earnings season, and we're still leading off with the big banks here. You can see today we've got Goldman Sachs reporting along with the Charles Schwab Corporation pre-market. Now, come tomorrow, we do have United Health Group, Johnson & Johnson, some more big banks here. We've got Bank of America, Morgan Stanley, PNC, the Bank of New York, and to finish up, we've got Northern Trust Corporation and Ericsson. Now, by Wednesday, we're going to be shifting directions a little bit in earnings season here as we're starting to get some tech companies coming up. Very important tech company when it comes to AI and semiconductors is ASML. On top of that, we've got Abbott Laboratories and another big bank, US Bancorp. Now, come Thursday, again, we're leading more into the tech space here. We've got Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing reporting after the market along with Netflix. Now, by Friday, we'll be wrapping up the week here. We've got Procter & Gamble, American Express Company, Schlumberger, and Regions Financial Corporation. Now, before you start making trades for the week, you should always take a look and see what the market is doing. So I've got the SPY up along with some other major indices, so that way we can see what's trending in the market. Now, that being said, here with the SPY, we did break this upward trend line, and look at all the moving averages starting to show us as bearish momentum is picking up to the downside. Now, that being said, we are in the support zone right now at 504.85 for the SPY. And the RT is still above 1 right now at 1.15. Now here we have the QQQ up. Since this divergence here between price action and RT, this bearish divergence here, we've seen the momentum in the uptrend here start to wane, finally hitting its high just several weeks ago at 449.34. Price action failing above to reach above that high since then. And if we take a look at these moving averages here, they're all showing price action in a downtrend. Along with the RT relative timing here, clearly trending to the downside, showing this upward momentum has been waning. Now here we have the VectorVest Composite, or the VVC. This is over 9,000 stocks that we're tracking in our database right now and gives us a sense of broad market movement. Now the big thing here to notice is that price action is starting to break this level of support at 64.68, and the 3 is converging away from that 8-day moving average to the downside, showing this bearish momentum picking up. All right, VV Nation, we've got another red light in the color guard here. So this week, I'd be more focused on protecting profits from this rally over the last few months than jumping into new positions. You can see it right here in the market timing gauge. The color guard is mildly bearish, and VectorVest does not advocate buying any stocks at this time. Now, if you found this video informative, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way I can keep you updated going forward.